in the man and near more, you know, married man, me and tell you about police, they are police station in the
Yo, my viewers, subscribers, me they tell myself so me never dare come do a next video about this. You get me? Like me did promise to a whole heap of people say you wanna those tell me no more information because me nah do a next video about this. But my people, me did have to come actually do a next video because Mecca did the woman that did the victim in a this. You don't hear a man wicked. But now what you know? Only if you hear more information or leak voice notes rather of the female telling other people as to the good thing that she got from the policeman.
I have one video on my phone, 2 videos at least, for sure how the one policeman and near more in a uniform, the man there near more pistol in the man mouth in the man and near more. You know, married man, me and tell you about police, they are police station, and you want to see the man enjoy me pussy. He the man me tell me come, I say the man for about half hour what I sucking me get and only maybe 10 or 8 minutes what a video with me do the way up. Me not have no come the me and the man search and find come the me when the man done here more. I stand up and a whole lot and come a week out. Me say peace the man near me him out and I'm straight.
My viewers, subscribers, me did actually a pick up for the female come here and say yo then the way the police look in at the video it look like him really sending to somebody or something happen. You get me? But if you go hear this now, me regret what me say and me did have to come do a next video about it. Like why female so wicked? No, female. For all of the female when I watch a video here, me nah actually push an agenda. But looking at the matter, this are just pure wickedness. Anybody a man do this. You see, anyhow, I did the police do that to the female. Let's see how the female yeah, give the police head, the policeman head, and him actually put it out there. You not hear female because you have some activists. You have some female people and you don't see celebrities, entertainer, everybody, all the government them. We don't come and say no to it. We don't call it. What the word them used? Like no to pornography or like no to exposing female or all them something there. We see it happen before. You get me? And the man, which is the victim, he was the person who people have under scrutiny and a bash. My people, me not like them something here. So late it be. And me tell myself, see, I'm not gonna do a next video about it. But Jan know yo. Yeah, hey. I'm all it down, you know. My viewers, subscribers. Me nah say you're right for do people things or do woman things. You see it. But sometimes when you see things reach them female here, you can't sorry for them. Not even female, anybody at all. Because look at now, the man losing work. It's a high possibility the man wife all asks for a divorce. You get me? Yo, my viewers, subscribers. Right now, me heated. Me gas up right now, my people. Because in a this here, your female here, you, miss, you don't have nothing to lose. You don't lose nothing. You get me? The man losing work. The man losing family. You get me? So, yo, my viewers, subscribers, you see how people wicked in life though. You see how people wicked. But then again, I'm gonna have to feel. I'm gonna have to feel. For learn. You get me? Like, only if him did think, but then again, him probably won't know so this would happen still. But you have to expect anything. There's always a worst case scenario. I just start saying do it in a uniform. You get me? Like him, but I still have him job right now. But if you know say the man lose everything, the man lose him work, the man lose him family. You get me? People right now, the man actually a cry out for help right now. Me a listen a voice note with the man and me can't even make him hear it. The man a cry out for help right now. The man break down in tears. I say yo, him never know say I saw the female wicked. The man say him wife want divorce him. Him wife, him family are the last people him have actually have him back. You get me? And me can't to send them with that because just imagine how the wife and him youth them feel, him family them feel. And them mostly feel it, you know. And them I go mostly feel it because just imagine him have him wife and him yard. People are gonna look upon him wife now and say, yo, anyhow. And then again, the wife ought to have to go strong. Like, she have to go strong because they see, anyhow, she change her mind and not divorce him and say, yo, me I give him a second chance because a human being and people have to learn. Anyhow, she give him a next chance. You I go hear people say, yo, the woman a idiot, the woman a fool. You get me? But my viewers, subscribers, you see a female in a video, we leak the video. You know if you do that. You get me? You know if you do that. You see it. When you see him one play victim to you see how you're quick. You see how the female quick for play victim and take God off for the cross to yo and never she send the video. You get me? And then again at that with female. You see we quick for believe female and female say something. You know, I don't know is if them have this thing about them where like as me say same thing with anything. You see if you want get help or if you want people actually acknowledge a situation as quickly as possible or the fastest way, make a female cry out. Make a female protest. You see how fast the situation address. And this morning when she released the voice note, people last see your John Wood then the man will want the video and him go leak it and know him in. You get me? But only for ear say yo are the female. And me I tell somebody say, you know what I feel like the female send somebody where she trust cause I say female, me tell you. Female ever have some set of friend where them look up to, where them claims are them best friend. So them tell them everything not knowing that best friend also our friend where she tell everything to. And so comes thing go viral, and so comes information go out there when if you out there. Because people just can't keep them out. Just also how woman say your man can't keep them out when them get head or get little crotch. I said thing with female too. She couldn't keep them again. I'm gonna make a joke of this, but me shouldn't do it. But then again, if a dog make the bee come on all of them things here, apparently the first time she experienced them thing there, you not assume she go talk about it because the way Roman race not deal with it, you know. Obviously him want left an impact. Obviously him want give her some of it talk about. But me no rate the style. Me I go tell you the truth, my viewers, subscribers. Me no rate the style. You get me? Like the man lose him work, the man a go lose him family, the man lose everything. You as the female no lose nothing. Nothing you no lose, you know. You see it, nothing you don't lose, nothing. But you go hear sooner or later again you go pay the victim, or she go pay the victim and come and say people are threatening her life and people say them are go kill her and this, which yo boy me don't even know if I say no my viewers subscribers, me don't think me I come talk about this again still, you know. Me don't think me I come talk about this again, but life really unfair. People on a whole female, I don't even want to make it sound like me have an agenda, my viewers, subscribers. But comment when you think about it. Until next time. Just for I'm out.